Didn't see you there. Hi there. My name is Moshe Sloan, and I'll be our group's representative to tell you about our STEM Expo project this year. His name is Janko, and he's a mechatronic snake. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the design before I give you off to my teammates to tell you more about our project. First, we have the body, simulating the undulating motion of the snake. Now, it's not actually slithering on the ground, we have wheels holding it up, to be dragged by the head. The head contains two RC motors with wheels attached that are dragging the body behind it, making it look like a real snake slithering along the ground. But before I tell you too much, let me hand you over to Peter to tell you more about the design of the parts that went into our snake. Peter, take it away.
We knew from the beginning of the project that we wanted all of our electronics to fit into the head of the snake. So we designed it so we can fit the microcontroller, called the ESP32, inside of it, along with the motorboard and the wires.
One initial challenge of using the ESP32 microcontroller was that we had to program in Arduino/C++ rather than Python, which we have been using all semester. We built our code off of example code from YouTuber Rachel DeBarros that utilized a software library called BluePad32 to allow the microcontroller to communicate with the PS4 gamepad. This allowed us to map combinations of gamepad inputs to control the analog and digital input pins on the motor controller. A final challenge was integrating the code for the object detection IR sensor and LED alongside the code for motor control, making sure both functioned and did not interfere with each other.
One of the biggest challenges we faced was trying to bring everything together at the same time: the coding, electronics, and physical design. Because if one thing didn't work correctly, the whole snake wouldn't move or function the way we wanted. But another real challenge was our schedules. We only had class once a week, and since we are all engineering students and we have a lot of work for other classes, balancing this project with all our homework, labs, and exams made it harder to continuously stay consistent on our project. Throughout all of this, every week we made progress and stayed consistent, and even at times found moments where we all could come together and work and develop.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions about our project, please feel free to walk over to us and ask, and give us a high five if you think our project was pretty cool. Peace.